morning we enjoyed a delicious hash brown skillet with black beans and salsa. And breakfast is one of my personal favorites.
We could eat it any time of the day. It doesn't have to be just for breakfast. So to have eggs and potatoes and beans and salsa.
It was just excellent.
Perfect.
So we filled our bellies at the 50-50 rapids, and then we set out on our path. We had about a 5-kilometer or so paddle to the first set of rapids, and today was probably our most rapid heavy day. But it was a lot of fun to kind of hit them back to back.
But between the rapids this morning, there was almost zero clouds, there was no wind. Like, it was just stunningly beautiful with very, very blue skies and very calm water.
Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So our first rapid today was called the Tight Right. So basically we hugged the
River right shore
the whole time. And what was wicked on this one is that the guides were stationed in the middle and then towards the end. So I really felt like as we were going down that they were giving us some guidance, and I felt like I learned a lot on that rapid, just in terms of how to read it, and just the different paddle strokes that we've learned. So Tight Right was awesome.
It definitely boosted our confidence from our spill the day before, and we were feeling really good.
Just to the left of that boulder, we have converging water in a V. That's the V I want to take. So this is why it's called Tight Right. We're sticking very close to the right side and taking that V, because just to the left of our V, you can see a bit of a hump and a lip, and then some white water behind it. That's our boulder. So we want to stick to the close right side.
Yep, you're good. Okay, yep, just paddle. Yep, you're good, just keep paddling. All right, cross. Paddle, paddle. You're good, you're good. Yep, paddle. Draw, draw, draw. All the... Whew. Yeah, absolutely. Good job, baby. Woo! Give me a high five for that one. Oh, that felt so good. So right after that rapid was this perfect little beach spot. So we heard a little bit of thunder, so we decided to pull off and have a snack. And as we did that, the skies kind of opened up on us, and our guides quickly threw up a tarp so we could enjoy the snack that they provided for us under the tarp as we waited out the little bit of rain that kind of just randomly appeared. One dark cloud floated over and kind of ruined our blue sky.
That's a bad climb. Sorry, no more trips for you. That's it.
We are screening your calls.
Finished our first rapid of the morning. It felt really good. Now we're just stopping for a little snack. Peanut butter, chocolate chip bites. Oh my gosh, these are delicious. Felt a lot more confident going down that side of rapids than yesterday. It's good instruction. Guides were there again, marking everything. Felt good.
Snacks and rapids.
Yeah, but after that, the rain lightened up, we were fueled up, and then we went to our next rapid. I think that was the longest rapid that we ran, the middle rapid of today. What was great today is that we did it Ducky style. So Ducky style meaning we had the lead boat, which had a guide, and then a few boat lengths behind we would travel just one back to back to back. And I found that great to really learn the lines a little bit better.
So we could just follow the boat in front of us and follow their line down the rapid to avoid all the rocks and other things that might cause you to tip.
Yeah, so that was wonderful.
Oh, nice wet butt, sweetie. Easy, easy. They're just taking it easy. Jess and I are about to do class 2. We're following Ducky style behind our guide. Yep. Okay. You're good? You're good. Hey, keep paddling, keep paddling, keep paddling. Yep, 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 yep. Draw, draw, draw. You're good. We're just full of water. So, take your time. Yeah. Okay, good eye, good eye. Okay. That's good. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah, we're good. We're good. We can just paddle. Oh. Okay, let's get out of this thing. We're now in a bathtub. I think we sprung a leak.
Yeah, us too.
Not
We-
as wet as my run this morning, first thing,
We may or may not have taken on a bit of water. We reached the Jamrock Rapids where we are and around lunchtime, maybe a little bit after lunchtime, maybe 1 o'clock or so. Unloaded all of our gear, took it to the campsite, and once again the campsite is right alongside the rapids, so it's right along the portage trail. And our guides whipped us up once again another delicious lunch.
We had delicious taco salad today. It was delicious and it had crunchy tortillas in it. So yeah, excellent lunch today.
Like a good old thing like this. There you are.
And now where we are, it's called Jam Rock, and the rocks are no joke on this rapid. This one had me a little bit intimidated from our dip from yesterday.
Considering Jess and I have never done whitewater or any rapids on any of our backcountry canoe trips ever before, it was a little hesitant to go over this one just because of how technical it looked from shore.
Yeah.
But once we watched the guides go over, it really boosted our confidence, and Jess and I were able to go over that set of rapids with with no issue at all whatsoever. As Jess and I were about to do the intimidating rapids that we're currently sitting near, it actually started to rain once again, making it even a little more intimidating.
But we nailed it.
Absolutely, Jess.
We got it done.
We killed it. We were pretty excited, and it definitely made us feel really good to be able to accomplish that set of rapids. And we watched everyone else go over it successfully as well, all the other guests that are out here with us, and we had an absolute blast. It was a lot of fun.
It was a ton of fun.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Earlier in the day, one of our guides decided to do some trolling, so he was dragging a fishing lure out behind the canoe, and we were able to land a pretty big fall fish. I was really impressed. I know it's Ontario's biggest minnow, but it had to have been over 12 inches, about a foot long, so that was pretty cool to see, be able to catch that. I took it off the hook for him, and then we released it back into the river.
What's it called?
I'm gonna be famous.
Check out this bug.
No one knows what it is.
Control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And our guys have been amazing. They are hustling, and everything that they have made so far for all of our meals has just been top notch.
So tonight's been a pretty chill night. We've all just sat around, and there's a big rock overlooking the whole rapids, so we were able to all just sit out there and chat with all the other guests. It's been a lot of fun meeting them. In the beginning, to be honest, you're a little nervous. You don't know who you're gonna meet or anything.
Well, you don't know how many people are going to be on your trip. We didn't know it beforehand. So the whole crew has just been awesome. Everyone has gotten along great. Everyone is participating in the conversations. It's just been, again, it's been an awesome experience. So with that said, we are wrapping up the last night with the crew. We still have adventure left tomorrow. We're paddling up until lunchtime tomorrow, so can't wait. Let's go on that water again.
All right, good night.
Good night.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up when they gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
We are currently traveling in mid-July in Ontario, Canada. It's kind of buggy.
Quebec.
Oh, we're in Quebec. Damn.
It's better to have action.
It's better to have action than no action. That's what makes it more memorable. Oh yeah, I ran those. Oh yeah, that's right, Kip. I remember when I tipped. I don't remember when I ran them.
Nothing like adrenaline